Hey guys, I am Corey Anderson, a recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff, and this is my rescue dog, Xena. Rescue animals are very important to a lot of us here at Atlas, and I know they are to you guys as well. So that's why we've started weekly to feature rescue dogs every Tuesday on our Facebook page. We rescued Xena from a rescue group called the Great Plains Mastiff Rescue. They are based out of the Oklahoma and Texas area. She was originally found down in Houston through a couple different foster families, ended up in Oklahoma City, and we went down and got her in Kansas, met them halfway. So she's our second rescue dog. I think the latest statistic I read was 670,000 dogs are euthanized in shelters each year. So I guess we just ask if you guys are considering getting a travel companion or a dog for home, please consider adopting. If anybody has a pet they'd like featured, what we do each week is feature one and get a background story from each of you, where they came from, and then we'll feature the rescue group as well. So you can email any of us here and we'll pass that information along.
Oh, bless you.